Good morning from Cowles Park in East Granby, Connecticut. It's about 8:45 on June 6th, 2018. 74 years since Allied troops went ashore in Normandy. Yeah, I do pay attention to stuff like that. This is my 2007 Jamis Diablo. It's an old freeride. It's a big, heavy bike, about 40 pounds even with air suspension and folding tires. But it's got like this lyric with 170 millimeters of travel. I really like that. And what I really like too is these 203 millimeter brakes. I absolutely love the big brakes. And of course the Fox X2 is not too shabby. Super tunable. You can get it just how you want it. D&M dropper post. Can't really take advantage of it too much on this bike. The geometry just wasn't designed for a dropper. But it's still useful. Then in the drivetrain, we got a Shimano 11-speed cassette. It's an 1142. And then up front, we've got two chain rings, a 38-tooth Black Spire Super Pro and a 28-tooth Shimano, an inexpensive little ring for about 13 bucks. But gives this heavy bike plenty of range. It may not climb fast. Oops. But it's got good geometry. It's comfortable, and with the gearing it's got, I can go up just about any hill I really want to. And like I said, I just won't go there fast. But when you head downhill, this thing's great. Loads of fun. I'm just amazed there's nobody here. I mean, it's been wet for a couple of days, so yeah, people probably want this place to dry out, but I'm not the only nut that rides out here, so I'm really surprised nobody else is here, even though it is a Wednesday. There's almost always someone around, even if they're just walking their dog. Oh well, on to the ride.